In this video, I'll guide you through how to overlap images in Google Drive using Google Docs or Google Slides. Whether you're creating a presentation, a flyer, or just trying to make your document look a bit more polished, learning how to stack and layer images can really improve the overall design. First, you'll want to open Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your files and create new ones. Once Google Drive is open, decide whether you want to use Google Docs or Google Slides. Docs is great for text-heavy documents like reports or worksheets, while Slides is usually better for visual layouts and presentations. Either one will let you overlap images, so pick whichever fits your project best. Now, either create a new file or open an existing one. To create a new file, use the New button in Google Drive and choose Google Docs or Google Slides. If you already have a document or presentation you want to work with, just double-click it to open. Once your file is open, you're ready to insert your images. At the top of the screen, click the Insert menu, then hover over or select Image. You'll see several options for where to get your images, such as uploading from your computer, using Google Drive, or even searching the web. Choose the option that works best for you and upload or select the images you want to use. Give the system a moment to place them into your document or slide. After the images appear on the page or slide, you can move them around. Click once on one of the images to select it. You'll see small handles or blue outlines around it, which means it's active and ready to be moved or resized. To overlap it with another image, click and hold the mouse button on the selected image, then drag it over the second image. When you release the mouse button, the image will stay in its new position, overlapping the other one. You might notice that sometimes the wrong image appears on top. For example, maybe you want a logo or a smaller graphic to sit above a larger background image, but it's hidden underneath instead. That's where the Arrange menu comes in. With the image you want to adjust still selected, go to the menu bar and click Arrange. Then move to the Order option. In the Order menu, you'll see choices like Bring to Front, Bring Forward, Send Backward, and Send to Back. If you want your selected image to appear on top of everything else, choose Bring to Front. If you just want to nudge it one layer above, choose Bring Forward. Similarly, use Send Backward or Send to Back if you want it to sit behind another image or behind all the other elements. Take a moment to experiment with dragging and ordering the images until you get exactly the look you want. You can resize images by dragging the corners, and you can keep adjusting their position and order until the overlap feels balanced and clear. That's all there is to it. By inserting your images, dragging them into place, and using the Arrange and Order options, you can quickly overlap images in Google Docs or Google Slides right from Google Drive.